are you going to be drawing today?
Oh, yes. Do you want to draw desserts with me?
Yes!
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, let's draw some desserts. Come draw with me. Pull out your crayons. Alright, so let's start with, oh, I know. Let's do a chocolate cake. There we go. Our triangle. Then we put a little whipped cream on top. That 2 lines. Then connect those 2 lines. And then we add the chocolate filling. There you go. We have a little chocolate cake. Let's try another one. Let's do what do you think? How about a lollipop? Okay, let's do it. We draw a circle. I'm gonna make it extra dark. You know what? Let's add a stick. There we go. And let's make it swirly. You know what? We can add a little bit of color to it. There we go. We have a lollipop. Let's try trying something else. How about blueberry ice cream? So we have the bottom here and half circle top. Then we draw the waffle cone and we draw lines like this. And then the other way, there you have it. Ice cream. How about we draw one more thing? Let's see. How about a pie? Well, that'd be delicious. So we draw a circle. We draw a little X on top. We draw little wavy lines like this. A few more wavy lines. Here we draw the bottom pin of the cake, or the pie, I mean. You know what? Let's just draw lines actually across. What's your favorite kind of pie? This one is apple. Draw a little squiggly lines, show it's hot. Okay, thank you for drawing with me.
Gosh, seeing those desserts made me so hungry.
That's all I could think to draw. I always have desserts on my mind.
Oh, I love desserts. Oh, and I wanted to thank Koji and the both of you for cooking with me today. It's always the best to cook with friends. All right,
Bye, friends.